When you have a project starting, there are a lot of questions that need to be answered, like what tasks need to be done, who's responsible for what, how long is it going to take, and how can we track our progress? There are a lot of tools and processes out there that try to help you manage your project, but nothing gives you visibility into your entire project like a Gantt chart. If your project has a deadline, you need more than just cards and lists. You need something that will increase your efficiency, help you manage your team's workloads, and visualize your entire project from start to finish. A Gantt chart is simply the best way to visually see your entire project. All your tasks are listed on the left and then scheduled in a timeline along with dependencies and assignments to a person or team. TeamGantt makes it easy to plan, schedule, and execute your projects. Simply add your tasks to the list and drag them into the timeline for as long as they should take. Then assign the tasks to a person or team. Add dependencies so that tasks are always done in the correct order, even if the timeline shifts. And set baselines so you can see how well your project is tracking against your initial estimate. Working efficiently and effectively requires consistent and clear communication that's available to the entire team whenever they need it. You can upload documents to a project or task and leave comments for your team. You can tag any other user on your project and they'll get a notification letting them know there's been an update. When you're working on a large project with lots of tasks and other people, it can be easy to get overwhelmed by the scale of your project plan. That's why TeamGantt gives you the ability to filter your tasks by person, label, date, or even task color. Filters are great for seeing just what's been assigned to you or what you currently have in progress or overdue. And it's easy to update your progress as you work. One of the most important things a PM or project leader can do for their project and their team is to make sure everyone's workloads are manageable and no one is being over or underutilized. Using the Availability tab is a great way to see the workloads of your entire team across a single project or all active projects in TeamGantt. It can be especially useful for determining whether you can take on any additional projects or not. And the RACI feature in TeamGantt allows you to make sure that nothing slips through the cracks by making roles and responsibilities crystal clear on the task level when multiple team members are assigned. A Gantt chart is the best way to stay on top of your projects and make sure you're delivering on time and on budget. And we think TeamGantt is the best Gantt chart tool you can use. TeamGantt makes it simple to plan your project, track your progress, and communicate with your team. We love it, and we think you will too. Go to teamgantt.com/signup to start your free account today.